No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 13th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, gaining 0.01% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to RE and monetary policy, European Central Bank. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, losing 0.18% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.00, losing 0.22% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Currency markets are reacting to Dollar Tree Inc. Dollar DLTR shares sold by Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Group Inc. USD SGD is trading at 0.7741, gaining 0.02% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6943, losing 0.01% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by What's Moving Markets. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1476, gaining 0.24% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to RE and monetary policy, European Central Bank. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.61, gaining 0.24% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as oil prices surge on US-Iran tensions, oversupply risks cap gains 2026 analysis news and statistics index box, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street ends higher as investors turn to earnings season. Currency markets are reacting to RE and monetary policy, European Central Bank. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. Our near-term view on US dollar to Chinese yuan. With US dollar to Chinese yuan moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.1513 level above and $0.1439 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.